What's up, TJ? I'm Unbox. In this video I'll be teaching you how to remove your Bose QC35 Mark II headphone covers and replace them with brand new ones because these might be damaged or you might just want to get a newer sound. So follow along in this video. Personally, I've owned the Bose QC35s for over 2 years, and over these 2 years they've been used, they've been abused. There's definitely been a lot of wear, and one thing that tends to get a lot of wear more than usual are the headphone covers. As you can see, mine is actually broken, and that's definitely why I had to replace them. My dog also did chew on these, so they did get damaged a little bit. So I went on Amazon and I found some replacements for these headphone covers. I will of course have a link down below. These are really easy apparently to install, and I'm going to be doing it for the first time and explaining and seeing how difficult it is. So my first impression of these headphone covers are, they are pretty good quality, but they're not as soft and as fluffy as the other original covers. That might be just because I've had these for 2 years and they've had so much wear. Just because these ones are newer, they might be a little bit more firm until I break them in. I'm just like test fitting it right on my ear, but they do feel pretty comfortable so far. So for this installation, we will not require using any clips or any tools or anything to get these off. There's basically just little tension clips that are holding in these cups for your ears. So basically, there's a thicker material on the rim of this, and what we're basically going to be doing is removing that rim from in here and then just sliding these in and fitting them. So the first time you do this, it should be a little firm and a little bit difficult to do it, but once you start working it in, it should be a little easier. Oh, or not. They literally just popped out. That was nice. Okay, I guess that was easier than I thought. I did watch a video on this and read a tutorial online, but that was actually way easier than I thought. And these are so dirty. Ew. Ew. One thing that this did come with was a new pad. So on the inside here, you can see they have replacement ones. I was not planning on replacing it, but looking how easy it might be just to remove, I might want to. Just because I've had them for so long. And there's been gunk buildup and stuff in here, so I guess I will just remove them. So as you can see, they're pads right here. There's some sticky tape on them, and I'm just peeling that off. This feels wrong because these headphones are so expensive. It feels wrong to take them apart, but this is something people do all the time. So you can see the headphone is exposed, and now I'm going to go in with the left ear cup that they sent as a replacement. There's some 3M sticky tape on the sides. I'm going to pull off that sticky tape, and making sure that I'm using the left one, I'm going to go put it in. And there we go. As you can see, they're very clean. The original one's on my right one, and then the left one. That looks very, very clean. And now I'm going to go in with the headphone cover, and this might be a little bit more tricky. It was really easy to get it off, but apparently I just have to slide it in. Yeah, I can see. There are little hooks lining it, so what you have to do is slide the headphone cover underneath those hooks, and that's how you get it in. You want to ensure that you get every hook underneath. So yeah, I do have to find the right spots for every single one of these clips because I do not want this to fall off, obviously. Okay, oh, actually this is a lot easier than I thought it would be. I thought this was going to be a lot harder, but what I found out that what you have to do is while you're installing it, you have to use 2 fingers. One finger needs to go underneath the foam and the other finger needs to go on top of the foam. And what you're going to be doing is sliding the plastic under and using both fingers to pinch the plastic or this little rim to get them underneath the clips. I know it seems like a lot, but I'm just going through each clip and it is actually going really fast. A link for these headphone covers will be down below, as well as a link for these Bose QC35s in case you want to pick one up. And they're in completely. Let me test it out really, really quick and see how they feel. Oh my gosh. Whoa, oh my gosh, that feels so much better. I'm literally not just saying this, but what happened was after I've had this is the original one, after I've had it for so long, it was getting squished down so much that this just added so much more fluff, and usually my ears would sit basically right on that inside, but now that these are more plump, I guess, they're fitting completely around my ears, and they feel really, really comfortable. This just gave my headphones a second life. That is so crazy. I really want to try getting it on the other one, and then we're going to do a quick audio test. I really don't think it's going to be that different, but I guess we'll have to check it out. So now we're going to be removing this one, and as you can see, the foam has actually ripped out, and I definitely need to replace these. So I'm going to peel it out just by pulling it, and there we go. It just came out that easy. And like the other one, I will be removing the inside pad, and I will be replacing it with the new one. And there we go, took out the right one, and now I'm going to replace it with the right one. Again, just peeling off that 3M sticky tape, And now I'm going to apply it to the headphone cover. Alright, nice. And now with the last cup, I'm going to do the same process, and now that I have that technique where you pinch the inside and the outside and pulling it under the rings, I feel like it will go a lot quicker. Okay, so I just put them on and I got rid of the old cups, and as you can see, these are the old ones, the old mats too. So actually these inside liners do feel a little bit of a better quality than the other ones, so it's going to be interesting to see if that affects it at all. And then these headphone covers, like I said, they did feel a little bit softer. That might just because they've been worn in so much. But now we have the new ones. And if you do not remember what the headphones looked like before in the beginning, these don't even look like my headphones. These look nothing like it. Like, I'm surprised how much of a difference this makes. This basically gave these headphones a second life. I don't know, most people, if they didn't know that you could replace these covers, might have thrown them away after you've seen this, or maybe contact Bose. But really, for how cheap these are, link will be down below. This was crazy, and you can do it all yourself. And wow, let me put on some music. It actually does feel like this is weird. They feel like the first time I put these headphones on. That is weird. Wow. It's like, wow. That literally, these feel like the first day that I got them and put them on. So the only thing is that if your headphones are acting up and it's the speakers that are messed up, you can't really replace those. I mean, I don't think you can. It'll be a lot harder than what we just did. But if your headphone covers are the problem, these are super easy to replace and recover. So yeah, wow, I'm surprised. Usually things that I do DIY don't work out that well, but oh my gosh. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, links will be down below if you want to check these out. I was not sponsored by any company to do this, but I just needed these because my headphones were obviously not doing the best. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.